All right, everyone. It's David here, owner of Bunkie Life.
It's Eva here, future owner of Bunkie Life. And I want to show you the Rockwood.
That's right, the Rockwood, named after our home city of Rockwood. This place is an expansive 159.9 square feet of awesome.
Yeah.
Check out these tempered glass, double glazed, super wide French doors. If you want to open them up.
Whoa.
That's right. We've got it set up here as kind of an art studio, but it's useful for a lot of different things.
Who else here loves painting? Comment down below.
I'm a huge fan. Comment below. So, Evie, what do you like about this bunkie right now?
Well, I love how it looks and how big it is.
Mm-hmm.
And then how it's designed is amazing too.
Yeah, so you can see there's a sloping roof there with a clerestory set of 3 windows. Now those windows don't open. They're quite high. I can't reach them. As a 6-foot man, I can barely reach this bottom beam here. There's no way I can reach that one. And there's also 3 main beams. Now you'll notice the beams are very thick and juicy. Did you notice that? The roof beams here.
Oh yeah, they are very juicy. Makes me want to squeeze them.
They're big and they're thick, and the reason why is because these are engineered for Northern Ontario snow load. So they'll work for our Michiganders that are up north. They'll work for our people that are going to get some crazy snow because they're really well engineered.
Whoa!
And I want to point out too, these windows here also tempered glass. They open up, and when
like
they
a
do,
door window.
it's almost like a door.
You can
on the
always
window.
jump out of it if you decide not to put on the screen.
Yes.
You just be like.
Well, the screens do come pre-installed, so you have to jump through the screen if you wanted to get out there. But yeah.
Emergency flyer. Don't use the door. Use the screen window.
Okay. So yeah, they're nice and big, and when you open them up, it does feel like you're outside, which is nice. So lots of airflow there. And of course, with the Bunkie Life bunkies, if you want to add an extra window, we make them right here in Rockwood, Ontario. So we can make extra windows. Sometimes people will buy additional windows for the back wall.
They also have a second one of those screened windows
Yes.
for emergency exits.
There's a second window here in the front. And you can even add them on the sidewall. There's lots of window options available to you, but this is kind of the standard kit that we're showing you. And you can just see, imagine the lake in the backdrop if you had this bunkie on the lake or the pool.
That would be great. You could just go to the bunkie. Okay, maybe like not right next to it, because you don't want to step out the door and just go for a swim.
Right, maybe have a little bit of a like porch or something, or like a patio.
Yeah, because you don't want to like be like in the pool.
That's right. So this bunkie here, the Rockwood Bunkie, just tons of space, lots of headroom, a really beautiful area that's great for entertaining, for storage, for any of the above. So thank you for taking time to watch our walkthrough video, and check out the 3D tour, which is available on our website at bunkielife.com as well.